Hi, it's Dr. Elisha Van Duzen at New Hope Chiropractic. Do you know that whiplash is one of the most neglected and misunderstood conditions? Whiplash injuries are serious health concerns for anyone that's been involved in a car accident. And whiplash basically occurs when the head suddenly snaps forward, then backward, and overstretches the joints, muscles, and ligaments of the neck and the upper back. So here are 5 truths about whiplash that you really need to know. Number 1, the symptoms are complex and not always immediate. Symptoms can occur right away, but often do not start until several hours after the incident, and then they worsen over the next 24 to 48 hours. Symptoms may clear up within a few days or weeks, and for others, the recovery can take months or even years. Usually about 25% of people with whiplash report chronic symptoms for up to a year and can even revert back to where they were when the pain began until the body is free of all dysfunction. And if your whiplash is left untreated, more serious problems can happen, like permanent disc and joint damage, and that can cause painful, lifelong arthritis. Number 2, pain is not the only symptom with whiplash. Pain in the neck, back, arms, or shoulders is really the most common due to a whiplash injury, but you can also get things like headaches, dizziness, blurred vision, tingling, numbness, memory loss, difficulty concentrating, nervousness, irritability, difficulty sleeping too, fatigue, burning or prickling sensations, depression, or vertigo. These are all some extra things that can bother you and make your life miserable when you have whiplash. Number 3, it doesn't take a lot of force to get a whiplash. Whiplash injuries can occur at speeds as little as 5 or 10 miles an hour. It doesn't take a really hard bang, hard crash, somebody plowing into you at 45 or 50 miles an hour to create a whiplash. It's hard to believe that such low speeds can actually injure your body, but it happens. And research shows that 29% of people develop symptoms related to whiplash at speeds of just 2.5 miles an hour. So even if your car doesn't sustain a lot of damage, guess where that force goes? That's right, it goes into your body, and it can lead to things like whiplash. Often the severity of the injury typically depends on whether or not you were properly restrained in the vehicle as well. Number 4, the duration of treatment is heavily researched. A lot of studies have been done to determine how long treatment should last for a whiplash type injury. And the consensus basically shows that any whiplash injury that resolves within 3 months is a mild injury, and these cases are usually healed without any residual impairments or pain. Anything longer than 3 months is a moderate to severe injury, and it probably involves extensive damage, especially to the discs and joints in your spine. About 25% of whiplash victims suffer chronic pain and typically don't spontaneously heal, but may improve over a period of a couple of years. Research shows that an average treatment period for whiplash injury, that whiplash type of injury, is approximately 7 months. That's the average treatment time. And number 5, chiropractic treatment is extremely effective for whiplash injuries. It's recommended that anyone injured in a car accident receive an exam by a chiropractor as soon as possible. It's necessary to treat the cause of the problem rather than just the pain symptoms, and medications will provide temporary relief, but they can't put the spine back where it belongs. You can take aspirin or Tylenol till you're blue in the face, but it's not going to put that bone that's been shifted out of place by the trauma back where it needs to be and off the nerve. The spine is like a machine with moving parts, and if the parts don't fit together right, they'll wear out very, very quickly. Another analogy is a car with bad alignment. The tires wear out unevenly, and their lifespan is greatly reduced. Spinal degeneration, osteoarthritis, and other problems can then develop over time with your spine. So with treatment to the spine right after the whiplash injury, there won't be long-term degeneration and other lingering effects, and chiropractic treatment achieves excellent results by correcting the damage caused by the accident, primarily using the spinal adjustments that are specific and target the areas that need adjustment. And this restores proper joint movement. And in addition to that, physical therapy and other therapies will also help speed up the healing of the injuries. But chiropractic is really one of the most effective things you can do if you've been involved in an accident and you have whiplash, which you most likely will, even if it's been a very, very low speed impact. So check us out at newhopechiropractic.com. And if you yourself have had an accident, or you know somebody who's recently had a car accident, they should definitely come get checked out. You can make an appointment on our website, and it's super easy to do. And also give us a call at 714-556-6966 if you need to make an appointment that way. And with that, hope you have a very healthy day.